let's draw an airplane. You know what? I don't feel comfortable drawing that in this sketchbook. So let's get rid of this small one, midget. Okay, and get the big sketchbook. Yeah! And you know what they say, the bigger the better. Bleep. Watch me open this. Yeah, let's just open this up. What we need to do here now is, what I'm gonna do is gonna draw a deformed triangle. Yeah. Maybe I should try this way. I like this better. Okay, that does not look accurate. Yeah. I in fact did not trace it. You saw nothing. There's no proof or evidence that I traced it whatsoever. Okay, I got distracted here. Okay, so, you know what I'm gonna do? Okay, you know what? I should go easy first. That does not look accurate. So, you know what I do? And then I'm just gonna I am so sorry. I had a brain fart. Let's keep moving, shall we? Let's just draw the window. What? That does not look good. But don't worry. There's always an eraser to fix this. Wait. Yeah. Sorry for that, folks, again. Okay, so I drew that thing. Just do that because I forgot I was recording a video, so you got that now. I mean, that looked pretty easy, but let's go on with the wings. Caw-caw! Now we draw wings. Yeah. Just act like you know what you're doing, because that's what I do most of the time in school. Next. I don't know what to do next. Alright, let's just draw these thingies. Hope I do this right. Yeah. If I don't do it right, sue me. But actually don't. I'm just a kid. If this is entertaining for you, I'm glad. I just feel like, embarrassing myself on social media, but at school, it's a lot different. Okay, let's move on to this part now. Just rectangles. Just rectangles. Just rectangles. Here's another rectangle. And here's a circle. No more oh, here's that now. I like airplanes. I gotta stop doing that. Alright, this is like prepare. Yeah. I like adding things to drawings because that just makes me more. Bleep. What was I doing again? Alright. Okay. Shading, something like that. Yeah. I don't like coloring. I just like shading. Unless that's the same thing. I hope not. Okay. Oh, wait. More rectangles! Oh my god. I like going randomly. Because that's just me. Over here, too. The nipples. No. How do I have friends still? I'm just kidding. I think. I don't know. But. Hey, look at this. I mean, if you want to draw an airplane with me, you can. But this is a pretty long video, I think. if I go too fast, you may slow down the video. Yeah, slow down the video if you get lost or something. I don't know. I'm staring at the camera, or, you know. See, look how accurate that is. I mean, it's fine to trace. I mean, if you're practicing it. But let me, you know what I mean, right? Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, that don't look good, but we'll fix that later in the video. There's also AE, not the full EIOU, sometimes Y, but there's an AE. I don't know what that stands for, but let's write that. Ever draw letters? Wait, can you draw letters? No, I think you can for graffiti. Okay, so I just did the wings because that would take too long to, you know. I'm going to draw circles, just like as what it shows here. I like drawing. Okay. You guys didn't have to follow me, though. No, like... Wait, are we drawing this together? I don't know. But... Bleep. Haha, you thought I was done. Well, I'm not done. Just have to do these two things, and then we're done. Or I'm done, because I don't know if you're drawing with me. So, let's just finish this up. And if you want to add some clouds, just, you know, scribble, or I guess something like that. Maybe even draw an M as for a bird. Maybe childish, but it's creative. Good. Go wee, wee, wee. Okay, is this a jet or an airplane? Same thing, because it flies. Okay, I hope you thought it was entertaining, something like that. And if you didn't, well, I think this was entertaining. Thank you for watching this pleasant, normal video. You don't have to subscribe, though, but this was for fun. Anyways, goodbye. See ya.